Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Shein. They did send me this pre-colored red wig, y'all. When I say I love this wig, 10 out of 10. When I say my style is a down, 10 out of 10. Like, y'all, definitely in love with it. They are having a March wig sale, so everything about the wig sale will be below in the description box, y'all. I will be taking y'all to go and get my hair done with me, so let's get right into this video.
That's fine for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I just but you can't get better. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, taste it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian
guys, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I did go and get it installed. When I say 10 out of 10, I definitely love this wig. I love the color, I love the lace, I love the style, I love everything about it, y'all. Literally, it's definitely screaming summertime. It's screaming who is that. It's screaming spring break. It's screaming all year round. It's screaming your newest redhead. Like, yeah, get into it, get into it, get into it. I really love this, y'all. Like, she ate down. When do she not eat down? Exactly. But y'all, everything about this wig will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything. Shein did send me this wig. The discount code below will be available as well. Literally everything, the exact length, the exact length. I did get this to 28 inches, y'all. It is curled, but it stopped like right here, right above. But y'all, when I say I love this, 10 out of 10. Can't go wrong. Honestly, truthfully, you cannot go wrong with this. Like, eating the girls up, okay? Eating the girls up per usual. But y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Also, they are having a March sale for wigs, so definitely go and get you a wig, y'all. Definitely go and get you a wig. Go see what they have to offer. Everything will be below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 54K, been around 200K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.